We're camping up here in the Rocky Mountains, and you can't tell by our apparel, we are in the mood for a Cajun shrimp boil. So let's fire up the Blackstone and get the job done.
Let's give it a try.
We have the Dutch oven. This is a 7-quart Dutch oven. I'm gonna line the Dutch oven with aluminum foil. First things first, a half a stick of butter. Last time we just had shrimp, but today we're gonna do shrimp and my favorite, the Hillshire Farms beef kielbasa. Check this out. When you leave your cutting board at home, you make yourself a homemade cutting board out of a cardboard box. Cool thing is that your cutting board doubles as a fire starter for s'mores later. I'm gonna alternate. So first batch of sausage going in there with the butter, followed by some shrimp. All right, these are raw, deveined, peeled shrimp that just have the tail on there. So we're gonna mix those up with the sausage and the butter. I think you can see what I got going on here. In with my first batch of garlic. Through trial and error, I learned a lot the first time I did this down in Texas. So I've got some other things I'm gonna throw in here this time that I think will be a little better. Up next, we have potatoes, a bunch of red potatoes here. I'm just gonna do these up into eighths. So cut the potato in half and then cut the half in half. Potatoes in. And next, corn. I'm gonna try to chop the corn in too. And in with the corn, and we'll follow that straight up with some onion. Just gonna do some big rough chunks of onion. And in with some onion. Any good seafood boil, crawfish boil, shrimp boil is gonna have lemons. I'm gonna put a little more shrimp, a little more sausage on top, and we'll try to even this out.
It looks so yummy. It's yummy.
We're taking you back 3 years here. Blackstone's Crazy Cajun. Of course, now it's just known as Cajun. So here we go. We're gonna put a little bit of that in there. And this is where we separate the men from the boys. Mountain Dew. I've been doing this for years in these foil packet meals. Mountain Dew, mellow yellow. Telling you what, friends, it's a difference maker. I'm gonna wash that Cajun seasoning down there, and then we're gonna put some more on top. So check it out. And another dollop of butter. And we're gonna have more hot sauce at the end, but I always like to put a little bit of Cajun hot sauce on top. And I think you can hear that simmering. Oh yeah. We're actually up near Gunnison, Colorado. So we're near Taylor Park Reservoir. The reservoir is that way, just like 7 or 8 miles. The collegiate peaks are up there. That's all part of the Continental Divide. So Mount Princeton, Harvard, Columbia, Yale. Let's take a peek at about 10 minutes. Oh yeah. You can see the steam, see the butter melting, and hear that sizzle. We're probably the only folks up here in the Rocky Mountains wearing matching Cajun crawfish boil shirts right now, right? I checked a few times and it was cooking away. It's been about 45 minutes, so I think we're ready to serve it up. Oh my goodness, there's really not anything more that I need to do to that. With the exception of parsley. I looked at that and I thought, oh my goodness, it looks like it's missing some green, so it's a good thing I had the parsley in our cooler. And curly parsley down into the recipe. Now I think we are good to go.
Take a look at that.
Let's give it a try.
I forget.
This is so delicious. I don't want to prolong it anymore, except for every blooper that I make where I keep prolonging it. Until next time, this is Todd and his family. We're saying praise the Lord and fat. The Cajun shrimp boil. And all okay. All right. So make sure you check us out at blackstoneproducts.com. That's your source for everything Blackstone. Check out CJ, Nate, and Desiree. That's Blackstone Betty. And of course, Destination Delicious. So until next time, everybody, this is Todd and his family. We're saying praise the Lord and pass the Cajun shrimp boil. But which isn't really a boil because we steamed it on the Blackstone Griddle in a cast iron Dutch oven. But you know, you get the point. Thanks for watching. Bye.